How to download third-party apps in Samsung Smart TV. Please watch full video for better and permanent solution. When it comes to installing third-party applications, they might be incompatible with your operating system or the manufacturer of your device. As the Samsung Smart TV comes with Tizen operating system, it has an obvious defect that you can't install third-party apps on Samsung Smart TV freely. But it is still possible to install the apps using an external storage device like a USB flash drive, SD card, and pen drive. Check your Samsung Smart TV type. Samsung QLED, SUHD Smart TVs support FAT, exFAT, and NTFS file systems. When your USB flash drive stores more than 8,000 files and folders, some files may not be accessible. Samsung Full HD Smart TVs support FAT16, FAT32, and NTFS, read-only, file systems. Under this situation, the number of files and folders saved on the USB drive is approximately 4,000. Step 1. Press the menu button on the Smart TV remote and navigate to the Settings menu. Step 2. Open the Instructions menu and select Notes and Instructions. Step 3. Skip the Must Read before playing the photo, video, or music file section and check the supported USB file system format by the Smart TV. Prepare a USB flash drive with supported file system. September 1st. Connect your USB flash drive to the computer and launch this program to enter its main interface. Step 2. Select the USB flash drive from the disk map and click on Format Partition at the left pane. Step 3. In the pop-up window, you can select FAT32, FAT16, exFAT, or NTFS from the File System drop-down menu based on your needs and click on OK. Here we take FAT32 for example. Step 4. Click on Apply to execute the formatting operation. How to install third-party apps on Samsung Smart TV. Part 1. Enable the Unknown Sources feature on Samsung Smart TV. Usually, third-party applications are regarded as unknown sources by the operating system of Smart TV. But you can turn on the Unknown Sources feature on the Samsung Smart TV. This feature allows you to install the apps without limits. Step 1. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV. Step 2. Press the menu button on the Smart TV remote to open the home screen and navigate to the Settings menu. Step 3. In the Settings screen, navigate to the Personal tab and select the Security option. Step 4. Now, select the Add-ons tab from the left pane and turn on the switch next to Unknown Sources. Once done, you are free to download the third-party applications from the Apps option on the home screen of your Samsung Smart TV. Part 2. Enable the Developer mode on Samsung Smart TV. How to download apps on Samsung Smart TV. To achieve this goal, you need to enable the Developer mode on the TV. The mode will allow you to download many types of useful third-party tools and tweak them in Smart TV. Step 1. Turn on your Smart TV again, and then navigate to the settings from the home screen and select the Smart Hub option. Step 2. Navigate to the Apps section, and then you will be asked to enter a PIN once click on the Apps panel. Here you can enter 12,345 as the PIN, which is the default code for all Samsung Smart TVs. Step 3. When the Developer Mode configuration window appears, toggle the switch of Developer Mode to on. Step 4. Enter the IP address of the host PC that you want to connect to the Smart TV and click on OK. If you don't know the IP address, this post tells you how to find an IP address on Windows 10. Step 5. Reboot your Smart TV and go on how to download apps on Samsung Smart TV. Part 3. Add apps to Samsung Smart TV. Way 1. Install third-party apps via a USB flash drive. Step 1. Open the web browser on your computer and navigate to a trusted or official website of the app that you want to install into your Samsung Smart TV and then download it. Step 2. Plug the prepared USB flash drive into your computer. Step 3. Find the .apk file in the app folder, and then copy the file from your computer to the USB drive. Step 4. Plug the USB drive into your TV, and then find the .apk file in the drive, right-click it and select Install. Way 2. Install third-party apps via command prompt. Step 1. Turn on your TV, and then navigate to Settings and select the Network section from the left pane. Step 2. Click on Information, and then you will see the IP address of your smart TV and write them down. Step 3. On your computer, type CMD in the search box, and then right-click the command prompt app and select Run as Administrator. Step 4. In the elevated command prompt, type the ADB connect 192.168.1.39. Replace it with the actual IP address of your TV command and hit Enter. Step 5. Type the install install.apk command and hit Enter. D represents the file location drive of the app. Then wait for some time until the installation completes successfully. Step 6. Once done, run the ADB disconnect 192.168.1.39 command to disconnect the TV from the computer. Now, you can navigate to the Smart Hub and open the app that you just installed on the TV.